Are you struggling to boost your metabolism for faster fat loss? In this video, I will share 5 science-backed tips that you can implement today to rev up your metabolism and help you achieve long-lasting fat loss results. Hi, my name is Lesya. On this channel, I empower professional women to shed fat with a holistic, clean keto and carb cycling lifestyle. Today, I'm talking about 5 metabolism-boosting tips that will help you burn fat fast. As busy professional women, we often struggle to find the time to prioritize our health and fitness goals. That's why I put together these science-backed tips that not only are effective, but also practical. But before we get started, did you know that there's a common mistake that most women make when it comes to trying to shed fat? Stay tuned until the end to find out what it is and how to avoid it. Let's dive in. Tip number 1 is increase protein intake. My first tip is to increase your protein intake. Women have unique metabolic needs, and protein plays a crucial role in supporting muscle growth and repair. By consuming enough protein, you can boost your metabolism and promote fat loss. When you consume protein, your body has to work harder to break it down and absorb it, which requires more energy and increases your metabolic rate. According to a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition, increasing protein intake has been shown to enhance the thermic effect of food and increase satiety, helping you burn more calories and control your appetite. Protein is known to have a high thermic effect, meaning that it requires more energy to digest than carbs or fats, which in turn speeds up your metabolism. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, increasing protein intake can boost your metabolic rate up to 30%. When it comes to protein sources, animal protein is the best option, and if you want to know exactly how much protein you should be consuming as a female for fat loss and the best options, watch my video on women's protein needs. Tip number 2 is intermittent fasting. Next up, we have intermittent fasting, a powerful tool for boosting your metabolism and promoting fat burning. Intermittent fasting involves periods of time where you don't eat, followed by periods of time where you do eat. By doing so, your body enters a state of ketosis, which is when it starts burning fat for fuel instead of carbs. Not only does this help you burn fat, but it also has been shown to increase your metabolism. A study published in the Journal of Translational Medicine found that intermittent fasting can boost your metabolic rate up to 14%. When implemented correctly, intermittent fasting can have significant benefits for women. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting helps optimize hormone levels, particularly insulin and growth hormone, leading to improved metabolic flexibility and increased fat burning. Intermittent fasting also helps increase fat oxidation and preserves lean muscle mass, which all play a key role in maintaining a fast and healthy metabolism. If you're new to intermittent fasting, start with the 16-8 fasting protocol, where you fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour eating window, and adjust it according to your preferences and lifestyle. Tip number 3 is lift heavy weights. My third tip is to lift heavy weights. Building lean muscle mass is critical for maintaining a healthy metabolism, as muscle tissue requires more energy to maintain than fat tissue. Furthermore, weightlifting can help prevent muscle loss during weight loss, which is essential for long-term weight management. Many women shy away from strength training, fearing that it will make them look bulky. However, this could be further from the truth. Strength training is essential for women as it helps build lean muscle mass, which is metabolically active and contributes to a higher resting metabolic rate. Women don't have the hormonal profile to develop large muscles easily. Instead, lifting heavy weights increases muscle tone and boosts your metabolism. A study conducted at the University of Alabama found that women who engage in resistance training with heavier weights experience a significant increase in resting metabolic rate. This elevated metabolism can last up to 38 hours after your workout, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. By lifting heavy weights, you can challenge your muscles and increase their size and strength, leading to a higher metabolic rate. Aim to lift weights at least 2 to 3 times per week, focusing on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups. And hey, if you're getting value out of this video so far, hit that like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, 2 more tips before I cover the biggest mistake women make when it comes to boosting their metabolism for fat loss. Tip number 4 is optimize the fat burning sleep window. My 4th tip is all about optimizing sleep. Did you know that your body burns fat most efficiently during deep sleep? That's why it's crucial to get quality sleep every night. Sleep is an often overlooked aspect of weight management, yet it plays a critical role in regulating hormones related to appetite and metabolism. Women are particularly susceptible to the effects of inadequate sleep on weight management due to hormonal fluctuations. When you don't get enough sleep, your levels of appetite-regulating hormones such as leptin and ghrelin become imbalanced, leading to increased cravings and reduced metabolic function. A study published in the journal PLOS Medicine found that shorter sleep duration and poorer sleep quality were associated with a higher body mass index, BMI, and increased risk of obesity. During sleep, your body produces human growth hormone, HGH, which is critical for building and repairing muscle tissue and burning fat. Inadequate or poor quality sleep can disrupt HGH production, leading to a slower metabolism and decreased fat burning. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to support your fat burning goals. One way to do this is to optimize your sleep environment by keeping it cool, dark, and quiet. Additionally, try to avoid blue light exposure from electronic devices before bed, as it can disrupt your sleep-wake cycle. Tip number 5 is to cycle carbs with keto. Last but not least, we have carb cycling with a ketogenic lifestyle. This approach involves alternating between periods of low-carb keto and higher carb intake, or moderate carb. By cycling your carb intake strategically, you can harness the benefits of both low-carb ketogenic diets and higher moderate carb periods. This approach helps prevent metabolic adaptation, keeps your body guessing, and maximizes fat burning. Carb cycling is a great way to rev up your metabolism, especially after prolonged keto and if you hit a weight loss stall. Studies have shown that carb cycling can be particularly effective for women by regulating hormones such as leptin and thyroid hormones, which are essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism. A study published in the Journal of Obesity showed that cycling carbohydrates in combination with the ketogenic diet resulted in greater fat loss and prevention of lean muscle mass compared to a continuous ketogenic diet. This is a strategy I personally use with my female clients, and it works like crazy. If you want to know how to get started with this, download my carb cycling cheat sheet in the description. Now let's address the common mistake that many women make when trying to lose weight and rev up their metabolism: cutting calories too low. While creating a calorie deficit is necessary for weight loss, excessively low-calorie diets can backfire and slow down your metabolism. Severely restricting calories could lead to muscle loss and a decrease in metabolic rate. Instead, focus on a moderate calorie deficit that supports sustainable weight loss and allows for proper nourishment. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that very low-calorie diets can result in a reduction of metabolic rate, making weight loss more difficult in the long run. So don't make this common mistake. There you have it. 5 science-backed tips tailored specifically for professional women to boost your metabolism and burn fat fast. By incorporating these strategies into your lifestyle, you can achieve your fat loss goals while supporting your overall health and well-being. Don't forget to download your carb cycling cheat sheet, and I'll see you in the next video.